MOE, bitch, my bills is due. Okay, so I'm going to start on my makeup. First, what I'm doing right now, I'm just trying to set up the camera, whatever, but now right here, as you can see, I'm just brushing out my brows. And then after that, I'm just going to start filling them in with my little brow pencil. That's both sides, you know. Brush it out. Brush. Then right now I'm gonna conceal them. Concealing the eyebrows. This right here is the eyeshadow base. This is what you put on your eyelid first. That way when you put the eyeshadow on, it won't show up dark. You got a little thirsty. And this right here is the first color I'm going to be applying. I'm going to be applying it to the top layer of my eyelid. And on a little bit of the eyeshadow base. Same side. Then after that, the next color I'll be using, you'll see. I just use like 3 different colors, really. Yeah. Girl is feeling herself already. Second color I used was blue, and I just put it on the middle of my eyelid. That's a gold color I put on there. I put that in the corner of my eyelid. So far, so good. Okay. Show them what you're working with, Sue. This right here, this is, I don't even know. But anyway, this is for the dark spots up under your eyes. Not dark spots, but that dark place. You know what I'm saying? I don't wear makeup. Then right here you got a spot. Those are dark spots. Then you get that brush and blend it in. And now this is where stuff gets real. Make that face look flawless. As you can, girl. Then you just blend it in. Blend it in. Then blend it some more. Blend it some more. Blend it some more. Brush it in some more. Don't forget to like this video, share it, comment, also subscribe. Looks okay. You know, I don't know how I would forget, but I forgot to put mascara on my eyelashes, so I ended up having to go back and doing it over. I'm gonna insert that clip in after I finish blending it in, blending in my foundation.
Bad bitch alert.